Good morning from Ramanathapuram. Today I'm going to Dhanushkodi. It's a very special place because Dhanushkodi is the nearest place to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is only around 20 to 25 miles away from Dhanushkodi.
So the first thing, how to reach Dhanushkodi? There are two affordable ways. One is to take a bus from Ramanathapuram to Rameshwaram. Second is you can travel by Pamban Bridge via train. But since the new Pamban Bridge is getting constructed, there are no trains available to Rameshwaram for the next 5 months. So the best thing you can do is to take a bus from the old bus station of Ramanathapuram.
I got the bus from Agni Thirtham. It's the bus 2A. 2A is the bus which goes to Dhanushkodi, the last point of India, from Agni Thirtham, which is just over to the right side of the main temple. You have this Agni Thirtham bus stop. It's a small bus stop.
The route from Rameshwaram to Dhanushkodi is approximately 25 kilometers. It is a scenic and unique route that offers breathtaking views of the ocean and its surrounding landscapes. The last 5 kilometers of the journey is a sandy beach road which passes through fishing villages, which gives you a glimpse into the local fishing community in which they have set up their small businesses across the town. Once you reach the place, you got to walk a little to reach Arichal Munai, which is the end of India. It is also the place where the Ram Setu begins. So it's a very special place for the pilgrimages, as people from different parts of our country make their visit.
This is the Dhanushkodi End point, which is the last point of India. It is the closest place to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is just around 20 to 25 kilometers away from Dhanushkodi. That's the speciality of this place, and it's also the place of the beginning of the Ram Setu. Ram Setu starts from the Dhanushkodi end point and it ends over to the northern side of Sri Lanka. Up front you can see that's the Ram Setu, and it goes all the way towards the northern side of Sri Lanka. So it's quite a unique place for the geography wise and also for the religious wise.
Dhanushkodi Lighthouse is a popular tourist attraction and a significant landmark in the region. Visitors can climb to the top of the lighthouse for stunning views. In total, there are 100 plus steps leading to the top. evenings in Rameshwaram are a perfect blend of spiritual significance and cultural richness. The town gets visitors from across the country. It is a holy place among the Hindus, making it one of the most prominent sites among the pilgrimages. Apart from the significance, it's really saddening to see how the oceans are being treated. The Rameshwaram coastline is filled up by the trash and the used clothes, which are being dumped across the ocean belt. This is how almost the half of the Rameshwaram looks like.